TEMU is a scam. That's what a lot of people say. Honestly, I don't blame them. Free items, free shipping, all the way from China to Nigeria.
Oh my God! Wow!
It sounds too good to be true. Let me guess. You've seen people order items from TEMU and get nonsense, right? Some even said they got toys instead of what they paid for. Trust me, I've seen those videos too. And that's why I'm making this one. Because today, I'm going to tell you what happened with those people and why they got nonsense or toys instead of what they ordered. But guess what, guys? I got a package worth over 90,000 naira from TEMU and I didn't spend a single dime. Not for the items, not for the shipping, nothing.
Clapper for Jesus! Clapper for Jesus!
And to even shock you, I have another package worth almost 100,000 naira that has arrived in Nigeria and will be delivered to me any moment now. I didn't pay a dime for these items, no, the shipping fee. So today we're doing a full unboxing video. In fact, I've been so impatient. I want to see what's in there and I can't wait. That's why I'm so excited for today's video. This is like gonna be the moment of truth. Where's my package? Oh, it has a lot of weight. It has weight. So we want to know if what's in here is exactly what I picked, or this is another case of I was TEMU'd. What I ordered versus what I got, stuff like that. You can see it's still sealed. I've been so like I've been anticipating this video. See, I've not yet ripped anything off. We're going to be unboxing this live in today's video.
Let's have it.
And because I know some people will still doubt, I'm not just unboxing. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to do this too. Yeah, I'm going to teach you step by step from start to finish, so you can get your own free package just like I did. And before you ask, let me answer. No. Capital no. TEMU didn't pay me to do this. I'm just doing what I love to do on this channel. You know, whatever I see in the internet space or on the internet space that is legit or real, I bring it to you guys first. No gatekeeping. So listen closely. This method I'm about to teach you might not last forever. So if you miss this video, you might miss your chance. Just ensure you stay with me till the end. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. I can't wait to rip this open and see what's inside. Fingers crossed, and let's hope that this turns out well. I'm going to be leaving like the images of the items that I ordered from the app on the screen, so you could just check and then compare, and maybe we could like rate the items as well. Let's find out what's in this package together.
All right, so this is the moment of truth, guys. Drum roll, please. Okay, so this is me just basically tearing the package open. Don't mind me, I want to use a scissors that's not sharp. So I finally got the package ripped, and wow, the first thing I saw was the box, this particular box. And yeah, this is the first item I chose. Yeah, the first item I chose is this elegant blue faux leather jewelry box. Yes, that's what's in this box, hopefully. Recently I've been needing like a proper organizer for my jewelry. Yeah, I even was like contemplating on buying or getting one around for myself, but when I saw the opportunity to choose it or pick it for free on TEMU, I was super glad. So let's see if this one like lives up to the hype and if it's a toy. Yeah. When I was choosing my gift, I wasn't joking at all. I went for something that I actually would be needing, that's like important to me and pricey as well. You understand now? It's an opportunity and I've got to use it well. So this is how it looks like. I've removed it from the nylon. Let's open it and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay. At this moment I was like, wow. Okay. My goodness, I really love how pretty this looks. Let's take a closer look. The material, hey, it's steady, like it has this firm texture, and the material is smooth, the full leather, and the color absolutely gorgeous. You can see how pretty it is, like from I don't know if this is doing like justice to it. Look at, I even have a key. I have a key that I can use in like locking this my jewelry organizer, and no one will be able to access it without making use of the key. This is awesome, I must say. So inside we've got a mirror, which is like super handy, and we have like multiple compartments for different jewelry pieces. For real, I love that it has like separate sections for rings, earrings, and most importantly necklaces. It also has the second layer with little drawers. That's just like perfect for organizing everything neatly. I also like this golden clasp here, which makes it looks extra classy. Okay, so my final rating, I'm just gonna give this a solid 10 out of 10. Yeah, I love it. But let me know in the comments if you would buy these. Okay, so the next gifts I chose were these stylish shorts. See me looking for the other ones. Unfortunately, I got just one. Just take a look at this picture. Now tell me why I thought I was getting all of them. This brings me back to what I said at the beginning of this video. This is why some people got toys instead of what they ordered. So, well, more on that later in this video. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is a stylish coconut palm pattern shorts. I got mine in khaki and I chose a medium, which turned out to be my perfect fit. This is me trying it out to see if it would actually be my size. And the material, it has like a slight stretch, making it super comfy. And for real, let's talk about the design. I love the design. It gives that casual but stylish summer vibe. The fact that these items are just screaming quality, that's what amazes me the most. The fact is that to get exactly what you ordered, you have to order rightly, not just to join those screaming TEMU is a scam, TEMU is a scam. There's something you are doing wrongly. That's why you are getting the wrong product. Well, I'm also gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. I love it as well. So let's go to the third item. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Ta-da! These 53 pieces make up 2 sets. I don't even know what I was thinking when I chose this. Well, actually, the fact is that I don't even know how to do makeup, so I just thought, well, this would be a great way to practice, and that was why I just chose this. Yeah, so this set includes 20 makeup brushes, 6 beauty sponges, 6 mini beauty sponges, 6 triangular power puffs, 6 mini cushion puffs, 4 round powder puffs, the eyelash curler, and lastly this very cute headband and 2 wristbands. Like, just look at these. This is just giving like the ultimate glam setup. I mean, it's giving luxury. Look at how cute this headband and the wristbands look. Like, I had to dance. I just like love how it looked. But wait though, is it really the same who everybody's calling a scam that sent me this? I mean, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, every of the items so far, tell me, it's not screaming quality. Like, it's like exactly what I picked from the images. You could tell me in the comments below what you think, because I'm shocked though, honestly. At this point, I'm so excited for the next package that is on its way to my doorstep soon. And if you would like an unboxing video for that package as well, those items are worth think 98,000 plus. If you'd like to see it as well, please let me know in the comments below. I will be glad to record another unboxing video. So do well to like and subscribe so you don't miss that video, and also share this video to your friends out there so they can see for themselves if TEMU is actually a scam or not. Oops, I almost forgot. This was also added to the makeup set. It's a wash bag, and for real, the leather for this material, like the material was, I don't know, it's just giving quality. The feeling, the touch, everything was just looking so brand new, so neat, so amazing. So, and I don't know if this video is doing justice to the size, but it's a little bit bigger than what I'm actually seeing here. It's bigger. It could occupy like the items. I even like put it in to see if it could, well, it was gonna take it, and it did. Just look at it, Negodi. For real, I'm still like trying to believe that I actually got this from TEMU. The fifth item I got for free even shocked me more. Alright, so to rate this product, I'll just give it an 8 out of 10. I've not used it yet, so let's just give it an 8 out of 10. Because left to me, I will just rate everything 10 out of 10. Now on to the fourth item. The fourth item I got for free on TEMU is this little package here. For someone who doesn't really like artificial lashes, and due to my fear for lashes glue. I saw this on TEMU when I was picking my gifts, and I decided to choose it. So this is a self-adhesive false eyelash set, meaning I need no glue, I need no eyeliner, I just need to peel, place and adjust. And they even say you can reuse it multiple times. For real, this is so nice, no stress at all. When I read through the description, I was like, okay, this is, the perfect stuff for me if I could, or if I ever decide to, start using lashes. So okay, so are there any makeup experts or artists watching this video right now? Please, I want to learn. Drop a comment below, I beg. So that's just what's in this set. I think there are about 40 pieces, I guess. So it's exactly what I chose, and I'll just give it a 7 out of 10. The last but definitely not the least, we have the upgraded wireless 5.0 speaker A66. This speaker, I must say, is a small but mighty speaker. It has a high volume subwoofer, built-in mic and clear 5.2 surround sound, perfect for phones, tablets and laptops. So I got the pink color, and that's definitely what I chose. Look at how cute it looks. It's more pretty when it's even functioning. It has this blinking light at both corners, this place and the other side. In fact, when I gave it to my parents, they were like, this is an original Chinko product too, the way we call Chinese products in Nigeria. So this speaker came with a USB charging cable, a user manual, and of course the speaker itself, just as described. You need to see, or should I say hear, this beauty in action. I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10 because it's giving premium vibes, I beg. Unboxing and filming got me so hungry I had to take a snacks break.
Guys, so those are the 5 items I received from TEMU, all for free. Tell me, what do you think about the items? And for those who still doubt that I got all these items for free, come with me to the TEMU app. I want to show you my order history, so you could see the proof for yourself that I paid 0 naira to get these items for free. There are different activities on this app, so you could get, or you might be given the chance to get 4 gifts, you might be given the chance to get just 3. So I was given the opportunity to get 5. It depends, okay? And for those who like participated with me the other time, they were also given the chance to get about 5 items for free. So now we are on the app. This is my profile. Let's go to my orders. So let's scroll up. So here we go. Look at the first item that says delivered on March 6, 2025. Let's click on that. Okay. All right. I want to also like, all right, I'm looking for a way to like show. Okay, let's go back there. So do you see what it says? Delivered on March 6, 2025. And what did you see by the right there? 0 naira. Okay, 0 naira, 5 items, meaning I paid no dime for this item, or the items are rather. This is the second one that I'm expecting. I told you in the at the beginning of this video that it was yet to be delivered, but at the time I am recording this part of this video, it has been delivered already, and today's date is March 11, 2025. So it has been delivered. It also says 0 naira, 5 items. Then I went ahead to purchase items with my money, this time on TEMU. That's what you can see at the top here. You can see the one that says 26,000 naira. 26,676 naira, 4 items. I bought 4 items. This time I paid, and then other ones, I don't want to show you the amount of those ones. So now look at it. You can see the proof that I did not spend a dime in getting these 2 items, and I will tell you how I did that shortly. But before that, let's talk about why people got toys, or they got nonsense instead of what they initially ordered on the TEMU app. So there's something I discovered on the TEMU app while scrolling through numbers of products on the TEMU app. There are some products that you could see a picture of the item or whatever product. Let's take, for example, an iPhone, or let me say a laptop. You could see a picture of a laptop, and then you see the price. You will see something like 7,900 naira, and then you'll be wondering, oh, they sell this laptop for 7,900 naira, without checking the description or without even reading the name of the product to know if truly it's the laptop that they are selling. And then when I went further to like check the description, I saw that they are selling like the protective layer to protect the skin of the laptop. So that's what that's what they were advertising with that picture. So most times they do like show you the usefulness of the product, or how the products they are selling is being used. That is why it's essential for you to read through the description, so you know how many quantity of items. Look at the case of the what's it called, the short khaki nika I got. Looking at the picture alone, I didn't even look at the name, and I didn't go through the like description. Even when choosing my size, I didn't even check the color, that it was each of the colors that was being given to me to choose from, and I didn't know that it's just one I was going to be receiving, not all. So you can't just judge basically on the picture. You could see a picture of a bike now, and then you will be like, oh, and you say the price is cost, maybe it's selling for 5,000 naira, and then you be like, add to cart without checking the description to know if it's like a model or like a toy bicycle. You sef think about it now, how would they sell it for 5,000 naira when you know bicycles in Nigeria presently is like over 80,000, over 100,000 naira, and then you then go ahead to buy it without reading the description to understand what those products are or truly are. The same thing with the a particular product I saw. I didn't know that they were selling, like advertising the wrap of oven and everything to protect it from dust and all that. I saw the picture they put a picture of an oven, a blender, and they were all wrapped in a nylon. So they were advertising that nylon. That's why it's very important for you to read the description to be sure that this is the item that you are getting. Okay, and the name also helps out, and then you know the size, so you don't get the size that that won't fit you. For example, now I chose medium for the nika, and that what's it called, it fits me perfectly. This way I know that if I want to buy any nika or maybe trouser, for example, on the app, I know I'm going to be choosing medium. Okay, so you have to understand your size. They even have size guides. Just know how to order rightly. And if you might be tired and you maybe need some assistance to order from Temu, you don't want to go through all the stress, then you can say hi to me on WhatsApp. I will help you with that. So that's basically what people are doing, and they are like getting wrong items. Now on to the part where I teach you how to get the free items yourself on the TEMU app. Because this video is getting too long already, I wouldn't be doing that in this video on YouTube. I will be leaving a link to I think 2 groups in the description and comment section of this video. If you would like to participate and know how to get it done by yourself, please join, and it's for free. Okay, and then for new users, if you know you've not downloaded the TEMU app before, don't download it yet. Ensure you join my WhatsApp group and then ask questions before you start, because I want to teach you the right process. And there's something special that I need to also tell you if you join the group dedicated to new users of TEMU, those who have not downloaded it already. So do well to join the group through the link below. All right, guys, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Like I said, the other package has arrived already. I just received the package today, and I can't even wait to unbox it. So maybe I will do another video and then upload it to YouTube, but it depends on how this video goes and if I get a lot of requests from you guys to like showcase that one as well. The items in this particular package is more than this first video, and the what is also more than the first the first items, okay, that we did in today's video. Let me know, guys, in the comment section, do you think TEMU is actually real or scam? And I'll be expecting your responses in the comment section. Do not forget to join the groups via the links in the comment section and the description of this video, and I can't wait to meet you guys. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be seeing you in the next one. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.